Hey, so we've been away for a few days. That's because I've been in the hospital. Apparently I have an infection in my colon, so I've had to take a few days off and be on some lovely antibiotics, and I will be for the next few days. But feeling well enough today to get back to work. So we're thinking we're gonna paint the ceilings nice and white, and I'll show you why. As you can see right here, there's these lovely speckle pock marks of who knows what's past. And we're gonna repaint that nice and clear white. And of course, the most fun mission of all will be to clear out the neglected master bedroom, which has been the junk drawer for the time being. Whoops.
The plan for me outside today is, even with all my spray happy trials or passes, there are some spots missing on my little black sink there that I will touch up, and then I'm gonna take all this dry stuff, put it aside, put the U-bench furniture that belongs in the dining area on the tarp and paint it black. But first I've got to prime it with a latex primer and then paint it with black paint. And that might take me all day. Alright, I don't know how long that took. It felt like 3 days. I don't think I've gotten this sweaty since the quarantine has started. And call it a day, because it's just too hot out here.
Alright, Mama Stokes working in the bedroom.
Hello!
I was in the hospital. It's going to be my birthday, so we get to cheat. we get help.
I think I got my hair. Epoxy spray at the sink. Everyone swears by this in trailer remodels. It's cream. We're gonna make it white. I heard this really poorly bad. I should be wearing a mask. Cream.
We're gonna have a new lesson learned here pretty soon. It is. It's smelly.
Very pretty. It smells like a nail salon in there. Alright, we're done with that. So I learned my lesson yesterday, and that's not to work out here at high noon. The sun is technically on its descent right now, but it doesn't feel like it. I get to do my favorite activity because I found something else to spray paint. Bathroom faucet. And then I'm gonna go back over all the blacks with a fine tipped angle brush to get all those little itty bitty corners. What am I gonna do when all the spray painting is done? Ta-da!
Alright. Master bedroom is almost done. Progress. Oh, it looks great with the tape off. Oh, a few leaked in somehow. Interesting. I'll just scrub those down. Alright.
Everybody, it's time to and we finished dumping, so all this is done for the day.